Automating the process of generating invoices using Python. In this video, we will be exploring how a retail store used Python to automate the process of generating invoices for a small business. One of our previous clients, a retail store, was previously generating invoices manually, which was time-consuming and prone to errors. But, by upskilling their accounting team on Python language via KeySkillset, our simulation-based platform, and using it to automate the process, they were able to significantly reduce the time and effort required to generate invoices. Their earlier used manual process was time-consuming and prone to errors, which resulted in delays and inaccuracies in billing. After upskilling with our Python program, the team found a very effective solution to this problem. They developed a Python script that automates the invoice generation process. The script reads data from a CSV file containing the necessary invoice information, such as the customer's name and address, the items purchased, and the prices. The script then uses this information to populate an invoice template, calculates the total amount due, and generates a PDF of the invoice. To implement the solution, they first created an invoice template in PDF format. The template included fields for the customer's name and address, a table for the items purchased, and space for the total amount due. Next, they wrote a Python script that reads the data from the CSV file and uses the data to populate the invoice template. The script uses the Python library fpdf to generate the PDF invoice. The script also calculates the total amount due and adds it to the invoice. This shows how Python helps to automate the process of generating invoices. So, if you wish to automate complex process at work, join our waiting list to learn the simulation-based Python program.